A request for a signature on a letter of support has caused some contention in Jefferson County. It's where we begin tonight. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jamie Baker.
And I'm Dylan Cleland. News 9's Jamie Ely has more on the fallout from that request and why some local leaders are making pleas to the county commission.
A week ago, Jefferson County Commissioners were approached by Interstate Waste Services for their railway expansion plan, asking for a letter of support. And since then, contention has been felt across the county, with many residents and their leaders calling on commissioners not to sign that letter of support.
If we keep going at the rate we are going to, Jefferson County is going to be the trash capital of the United States.
In their pursuit of a federal grant to expand their rail operations, Interstate Waste Services approached Jefferson County Commissioners asking for a letter of support. Since then, many have come forward with questions and concerns, including Amsterdam Mayor Jim Phillips, who spoke to commissioners Thursday. The biggest concern? The odor. IWS's plan is to store rail cars full of trash from Mingo in Amsterdam. Phillips says he's concerned the trash will lead to strong stenches throughout the village. But that's not the only concern. IWS takes in waste from the gas and oil industry, and Phillips wants to know if safety measures on that type of waste will be addressed.
My concern is, A, how much waste of that type of material are we taking in Jefferson County? And it's supposed to be tested either at the facility it comes from or the destination facility. And I want to know if that testing is being done.
With these questions floating and contention from the public, Jefferson County Commissioners want to make one point clear.
We haven't voted on it. There's a lot. We don't have all the facts. We don't have all the answers, and we can't just. We're not going to vote on something we don't have. All the information that we need.
They also acknowledge that even if they sign the letter, it could have minimal impact.
We don't. We don't have the power to stop any business, and that's a private entity that's legal. It's permitted by the health department. I'm sort of wondering why the commissioners are taking all the heat.
But Phillips believes more can be done.
What I'm hearing from my residents is, our part of the county, it's out of sight, out of mind. You know what I mean? It's not in Steubenville, Mingo, this or that or whatever. As far as legally not being able to allow them to operate, they're probably not wrong, but they surely can push back.
We'll continue to follow this situation as it develops right here on News 9. Reporting from Jefferson County, I'm Jamie Ely, News 9.
Hi, I'm Dylan Cleland. Thanks for watching. And here's another video to check out, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.